Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on JU. Guys, what am I expecting on JU? So I'll be doing a quick top-down analysis on GU. So based on the previous analysis that we've watched, overall I was predicting GU to push to the upside. Let me adjust this. If you've watched my previous analysis, I think about a few videos back, I was predicting JU to continue to push to the upside based on the fact that we can see we have this impulse correction rejecting around my 38.2% fib level right there, rejected around that area and gave us this beautiful bull candlestick right here for it to continue to push to the upside. And we can see based around this area right here, we can see momentum of buy as well. So certainly I'm predicting that sort of a push to the buy, but don't forget, like I mentioned, that this is a monthly time frame, right? This is just like the overall aspect of GU based on like the um future, because this is the monthly time frame. So definitely I'm still predicting GU to sort of like push up to its negative 27% fib level, which is 1.38867. So I'm still predicting it to overall come to that level right there. But like I said, because I'm an intraday trader, I have to take it one step at a time. Just because overall the monthly time frame is a buy doesn't mean I have to buy right now. No, I can always see sales in between, right? So let's go to my weekly time frame and I'll see the market. We can see that we have this candlestick finally broke this counter trend line right here. We have this counter trend line, and this candlestick right here finally broke the counter trend line, and we continue to see this candlestick right around this area right here. So we can see this candlestick actually break this previous high, which also signifies that we might continue to push to the upside. So now go to my daily time frame and see. You can see right around this area right here. So I'm predicting some sort of like it coming here to sort of push up to 1.30000. That is my first target that I'm thinking we will get to. Then we might reject around that area depending on how we see the market around that area. So right here, since I don't have any sort of thing right here, we can see I'm gonna use a zone. So I will draw a zone right here, a bigger zone, just for me to look at the previous. So we can see that based on my zone that I put around this area, if you look left, we can see that as quite a significant area, right? You can see it's once become a support, here was a resistance, right? We can see became a resistance around this area right, as well. If you look to the left, we can see we had it as a resistance, as a support right here. So that's a significant place that the market can hold, right? So based on that, we have to be mindful around that area, and the fact that the market has actually just been tanking to the upside for a while, it needs momentum, right? So there's that possibility of it getting to 1.30000, reject around that area to sort of push to the downside, then continue up, or we might push a little bit more further, right? So the first instance is if we see it's pushing to the downside, if we get here and we continue to see momentum of sell, if we push to the downside, then our next target will be this break of structure right here, because we can see that's where we have this break of structure, which is 1.29500. We can see right around that area right here, and if we continue to see sell, then it's definitely here will be my next target, the next target, right? We can see overall we had this imbalance right here based on this rough right here. This basically is like an imbalance that needs to be filled, that hasn't been filled yet, right? But we just have to be patient and see how the markets react around that area. Let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see. Let's see my 4-hour time frame. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit. Let's go to my daily time frame. Okay, I want to adjust this trend line right here. Let's go to my 4-hour time frame and let's see. Okay, now that is adjust, I want to draw a trend line right here to here. Let's see, visibility. Yeah, so let's go to my 2-hour time frame and see. Let's draw another line right here. 2 hours time frame right here. Let's see. So on my 1 hour time frame, this one can also work right here from here to here. So like I used to mention, you can draw multiple trend lines as long as the line is 2 or more points. Definitely a accurate trend line can be drawn. So like I said, I think we might push up to this area right here. Let's see how the market reacts around this area. If we react but a lot of weak rejections and we see a momentum of sell, then certainly we might continue to we might down to the downside right here, give us a possible touch of the trend line. Then we might continue to tank to the upside. That's a possibility, right? Or like I said, we still have momentum around this area that need to be tested zone. If we continue like that, impulse correction, give us that lower high for us to see that the market is continuing on a downtrend, then certainly we are going to go to our next target, which is around that area right there. Let's set my 2 hours a little bit. So I'm going to stick with my 2 hour based on the fact that it's a little bit clearer. It's not that choppy like the 1 hour was. So come here, right? So let me just draw my scenario. Something like this to this level right here will be my first target for a sell, which is around this area right here. Then if we continue, this will be our second target right here, right? Then third target right here. That's my target because overall I think we might come around this area right here. If we go to a bigger time frame, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see we have this zone, bigger time frame. We can see we had this. Let me draw this zone right here that hasn't been retested yet. Let me make that small. You can see this zone right here that hasn't been retested yet. Yeah, so that is what we are seeing currently, right? So that is my overall thought on GU, guys. I think we are pushing to the downside. Just like I used to say, I like to weigh both sides, just the fact that we don't know what the market is doing. So if we push up and see a momentum of buy around this area right here, then make sure we have confirmation. Then this will be our first TP for buy, right? Now second TP will be around this area right here. So I'm gonna leave that, but definitely more biased towards a buy than a sell. But like I said, whatever the market gives us, we have to adjust to it. The market doesn't adjust to us, we adjust to the market. Oh, sorry, that's a mistake. This is the first one right here. And my second TP will certainly be right around this area. So this is my quick thought on you guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.